Runner 024, Timbol Jura. Debura, rather. Debura.
With a time of 1
Deborah.
hour and 1 minute. Yes, congratulations again na Timbol Deborah, our third
Ma'am
place.
Deborah.
Okay, now for our second placer, congratulations po. Time of 57 minutes and 45 seconds. Second placer is no other than Pilapil Nelsa, number 10230.
Congratulations.
And ladies and gentlemen, the fastest for the female category for 10K run, we have none other than Gabayan K, runner 404, with a time of 55 minutes and 45 seconds. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, for the 10K female category. Let's give them resounding applause.
Congratulations, grabe Miss Toy. Nakaka-inspire naman.
Grabe.
Sunod, yung lakas. Kasunod this slide with a time of 1 hour and 1 day. Yaya, o
One
sawa.
week. 1 week.
1 hour and 1 day. 1 week mas lala yung 1 week.
There you have it. Congratulations, our winners.
Okay, so kami napunta sa atuang male category.
Moving on, ladies and gentlemen.